Welcome to a new video on the Parts channel. Okay, I'm going to do a short video. Let's see. Yesterday was one of those weird days, first because of the Audi that a foreigner brought us for an oil change, and we found he had a GPS tracker hidden in the underside of the car, and the client did not know it. I tell you, because as soon as he saw it, his face changed. That is, he had a very unpleasant surprise. And then a client calls us and tells us that he can start the car. He can't start the car engine, but since it was only 200 meters away from the workshop, I say, let's go with this small starter, because we don't have the big one. We take a walk and start the car engine, because this car already had a problem a long time ago with the battery. Well, we took the car starter, we put it on, smoke began to come out and the starter exploded. This is a cheap starter. I seem to remember that we paid about 40 euros. But at the parts store they said that these starters had turned out very well. And since they weigh very little, well, so as not to carry around the other one, which weighs more than 20 kilos, and you see. That is, be careful with these cheap starters, it may be a coincidence. Because we do not usually use them. We had another one a few years ago and that one turned out pretty good. But one day it fell to the ground and broke. In this particular one, the failure was because, as you can see there, the lithium battery exploded, and that's why it jumped. Anyway, well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.